Look no further than the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, heated front seat, power driver's seat, dual zone AC, rear AC, alarm, aluminum wheels. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.